Hello friends, so let us have a new notification now. So you can see this is notification from IFSC Authority. You must be knowing International Financial Services Sector Authority, which is located in Gujarat. I think this is their second notification only. If I'm not wrong, they have started recruiting from last year only. So ये उनका second recruitment है. So this is not a very big organization, hence the growth prospects is very high. Because this is not a big organization, तो आपका promotion काफ़ी जल्दी होगा. And other perks are also good. I will show you just now. So as you know, this is part of our job series. So I'm running a playlist where I'm giving you or at least one job update daily. Also, it is not possible to make a video on every notification, so there are many notifications that I post directly in my Telegram channel, so you can go and join. So you can go and check this link in the Telegram. You'll get the link is also given in the description. The first link in the description is of this channel, so you can go and join this channel. उसमें at least 1 to 2 jobs मैं डेली डालता हूँ उसमें, so you can go and join that channel now. Also, अगर आप इसके लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं तो you'll get all the study materials for free. Not only study materials, all the study materials plus mock tests plus current affairs materials plus PDFs, everything you'll get absolutely for free. So you do not need to bother about anything. Just go and join that channel. Now if you see next, the most important thing, the application date is starting today, that is 28th. So if you are watching this video later, then you can properly make the arrangements. So 28 से शुरू हो जाएगा ये. From today onwards it is starting and it will go up to 21st of April. So you have enough time now. Almost 3 weeks है आपके पास अप्लाई करने के लिए. So you can take your time, you can think properly and then you can apply. The exam dates are tentatively in May and June. तो मई या जून में most probably after election. तो मई में चांसेस काफ़ी कम है. It will only be after election I think. And the phase 2 will be in June or July. Of course, they generally give a gap of 1 month between phase 1 and phase 2, and the exam will be conducted by IBPS only most probably. So आपको पैटर्न पता होगा उनका बैंकिंग स्टाइल का, but this exam pattern is slightly different, so you need to check it. So let's go and check it now. So this is the vacancy. There are 10 posts, 2 of them are in legal stream and rest 8 are for general stream. तो ये आप नोट कर सकते हैं. Eligibility, your master should either be in economics or allied subjects, or in information technology, computer science and allied subjects, or in CA, CWA or law of course. And for legal streams, certainly there is no doubt it requires only the law degree and nothing else. Now rest of the details are similarly, you can check it. Now I would recommend you कि कोई आपको कितना भी बता दे, still you should go through the notification yourself. It is very important so that you don't miss any of the details. So every detail will be counted on this date. This is 1st of Feb. So you do remember this is the cut off date. You should not mess it up. आपको अपना एज अच्छे से चेक कर लेना है whether you belong to that category or not. Again the reservation requirements are same for OBC, SC, ST etc. So you can check it. If you go ahead next, yes, now this is very important. The mode of selection is very important. Now you'll have one phase 1 exam of 100 marks consisting of 2 papers. So phase 1 with 2 papers 100 marks each, so it will be of 200 marks. And in phase 2 you will have again 2 papers of 100 marks each, so again 200 marks, and then of course the interview. Now if we go ahead and see the actual pattern, this is the exam pattern. Paper 1 of phase 1 will be multiple choice question based on general awareness, English, quant, reasoning. So it is more or less banking or SSC pattern, so you can check it, banking or SSC pattern. And also the paper 2 will consist of mainly the commerce stuffs. If you have been commerce or economic background, then you can check it. It will mainly be things related to general stuffs like part of UPSC syllabus, which consists of economy, sustainable development etc., and the commerce stuffs like commerce, accountancy, management, financial management etc. So do check it. The same for legal stream, you can check it. If we head next, again some basic requirements. The 30% paper 1, 40% paper 2 of phase 1 is compulsory to get. If you go and see the paper pattern for phase 2, if you see in paper 1 there will be English, which includes precis writing, essay writing and comprehension. The general pattern for English exams, of course it will be a descriptive test. And in paper 2 it will mainly be related to IFSCA and the work it does. For example, it mainly works in GIFT City and IFSCA financial centers and bullions, IFSCA Act. So these basic things you need to remember. If we see next, then the legal stream. Again, the same criteria, 30% in paper 1 and 40% in paper 2 is must in order to qualify. Again, there will be interview, and the interview will consist of 15% and the phase 2 will consist of 85%. So phase 2 will have 85% and interview will have 15% of weightage. Do remember it. This is the most important thing which you would be heading now. आप सब इसी के लिए वेट कर रहे होंगे. So this is the perk. You can see the perk is pretty awesome if you add it all, and this is the basic salary. So if you add upon it the allowances, if you add allowances, it will go up to around 1.5 lakh. So you can see 1,43,000. So it will almost 1.5 lakh in the initial days of joining the job. So it's a pretty handsome salary. Again, posting will be the departments of IFSCA based on their needs, and this will be the exam centers. Of course, only the major cities are there, as you can check, because the applicants will not be that much, so the cities are also limited. Only major cities like metro towns or capital cities. And the examination fees is like this: 1,000 rupees for EWS, OBC and unreserved, and for SC ST it is only 100 rupees. So you can check it, and rest of the details you can go through. So based on your criteria, your category and your separate requirements, you can go through the notification. So I think that will be all. Again, I would remind, please go and join the Telegram channel @logical aspirants. Well, you will get at least 1 to 2 jobs daily, which you will not find in any channel. So do go and join it. If there is anything you want to ask me, you can write it down in the comment section, or any category of job that you want. For example, related to teaching or related to banking or railway, which kind of job you want, you can tell me. I'll definitely bring such jobs as soon as available. So I think that will be all. If you liked the video, please do like it, and of course subscribe the channel if you really liked it. Thank you.